Okay, we got another exercise. Number of islands, pretty popular, 8,000 likes, and companies, probably all of them are using it. Okay, so we got a grid 2x2 and one, so in this grid is reflecting the island, and if they are connected, that means that there is a one island. So this is a one island with this one, that one, yeah, this is a one island overall, and we need to return how many islands there are. And these are islands, and we can only connect islands vertically and horizontally. So this is not connected island, so this is separate islands, and this is also an island. So there are three islands here, here, and yeah, here are the two. Okay, so as you can see, this is the traversing through the 2D array. So it's probably a BFS solution on DFS solution. I'm going to solve it in a DFS manner. So let's see how it's going to play out. So we got a grid. Let's take a look at that grid. So I want to go through this first node, and then if I check if it's a 1, then I'm going to zero out this one and go to the next one. Go to the next array. Let's remove it. So the next one, if there's going to be a recursive call, so we're going to the next one and the next one here. So first of all, going to here, so we're going to zero it out and go here 0, and then go here 0, and then I'm going to go through this one like there's a 1, so there's going to be a 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, and there's no going further, so I'm going to increase the counter of islands because I finished the whole island, and there's going to be another island. If I'm going to progress through the array, there's going to be an island, and there's going to be the incrementation of islands like almost immediately because they don't have any ways to go. So they're going to be 0 and increasing the islands to 2. There could also be an island, so yeah, you got the idea. That's pretty easy to implement. So let's do it. DFS solution. So let's go int m is equal to grid dot length and n is equal to grid of I of 0 of length. Okay, and for int I equals 0, I is less than m, and I plus 4 for int j is equal to 0, j is less than n, and j plus if grid of I and j is equal to 1. That means that we are going to call the DFS DFS of grid I and j. And we're going to progress further, and after that we need to increment the islands. In islands is equal to 0. Okay, there are islands, and after all this we're going to return islands. Okay, now it's time to implement the DFS solution. So we got the first search. So what we're going to do is just check if the I and j is a correct number, and I is less than grid dot length, and j is less than 0, and j is less than grid of 0 of I, let's say that length, and if the grid of I and j is equal to 1, and if it's equal to 1, and we're going to progress further with our checking. If it's not equal to 1, so there's no need for checking the surroundings. Okay, so now we're going to go over all the possibilities, but before that we are going to null out that one, so we don't have a repeated job. We don't repeating the job. Okay, and now we're going to recursively call the DFS I and j with all four directions: +1, -1, +1, -1. And that's pretty much it, I believe. Let's go where are the issues? Oh, first time. Okay. So that's it. 100%. So pretty nice, quick and easy. So thank you. Subscribe if you like it, if you learned something today. Bye bye.